I wasn't wearing this shirt yesterday, was I? I think I was wearing the same band shirt, but I wasn't wearing this shirt. Anyways, so, as you can see, I'm getting ready to shoot a video. And I'm trying to do something a little different, okay? Because this particular video I can't shoot, like I'm shooting a vlog right now because it's supposed to be like blind. And, well, I'm not supposed to be able to see myself. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm shooting a video right now because I didn't put one out during the week. Yeah, I guess Sunday is a new week. So, yeah. So, I'm going to try to put out 2 videos this week. And I would love to challenge myself. And I don't know if this is going to happen. And I would hate, you see right there, that spicy stuff? That's why I haven't shot a video like this, because everything bounces off. And I need to see how I'm going to figure that lighting out, because it's just bouncing and it's bad. Anyways, blah, 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 blah. I want to challenge myself to see if I can put out some type of video, not put out every day, but to shoot videos all this week. And I'm debating. I'm going to shoot a video tonight, and then tomorrow, more than likely tomorrow will be the day I don't shoot one, because I'm going to Austin, and I probably won't get home until like 2 or 3, maybe 4 in the morning. I don't know what time I'm going to get home. So I'm going to Austin tomorrow, but maybe I still will shoot a video, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. Maybe I'll shoot one in the morning of Tuesday, and then the night of Tuesday. Who knows? I have video ideas, and like 2 of them, maybe 3, are not really skits or anything. They're just vlogs, but they're not just like, hey, yeah, I can talk like a decent kind of vlog. No, it's not like that at all. So it's gonna be more your standard vlog. Kind of, it's their response vlogs, and so that'll take a little bit more filming quality, whatever you want to call it. So I can do 2 of those, and then I still got a skit to do, and blah blah blah. I'm just trying to get video stockpiled. Because, oh man, the week, well actually, this is the week. When I went to California, it was horrible. When I went to California, no, California was amazing. But getting prepped before California was crazy. I bought my first suitcase. Woo! Woo! Hopefully, it's the start of many, many adventures. Bought my first suitcase. Did I show you guys a backpack? If you see me at Playlist Live, it'll say hello, my name is, and juice box, and maybe a little drawn juice box will be on there. Say hi if you're at Playlist. And, yeah, so I bought that stuff, but when I went to California, I did everything last minute, and it was horrible, and it kept me from doing a video. Because I didn't do my business cards, I didn't do my stickers, I didn't have a suitcase, like, it was nuts. So it kept me from doing a video, and before that I was doing Music Monday a lot, and I keep saying but now, it got so hectic that I didn't shoot a video before, and when I got back I didn't shoot a video, so I edited the footage that I had from California, I made that a video the following week, and then I didn't shoot a video after that for like months. So it was like, I don't want to do that again. So I would love to have some stockpiled just in case. I would love to have 2 or 3 videos shot, at least shot, because I can edit later. Shot before I leave. So we'll see if that happens. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and go so I can go ahead and film this. And I got the coffees are running through me now. Probably gonna go eat an apple too, just to make it double energized. I don't know. I'm going to shoot this one. It's not going to be a very long video. I don't know. I might turn it into a long... No, it's probably going to be a long video. But I'm going to cut it and splice it and make it... Slice it. I can't rhyme. I'm not a rapper. Yeah. So I hope you guys had a nice day and whatnot. I'm not going to make this a 7-minute vlog, so... As always, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the Music Monday channel. I shot a video for the video game channel, and I need to upload it. I will do that later. And hopefully the video will be out tomorrow. It was a gameplay of Team Deathmatch. So hopefully everything goes good there, and I will upload that tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow later.